Beginning today, the Biden administration is restricting travel from 8 African nations as health experts around the world race together more information about the new Omicron variant, which originated in Botswana. Let's get straight to South Africa now for a closer look. And joining us with more is ABC News producer Liezl Thom. She's in Pretoria. Liezl, good to see you.
Hi, Kira.
Well, look, over the last 2 weeks now, South Africa has seen its 7-day average of new cases surge from about 200 per day to more than 2,000. And health officials are worrying that that number could actually reach as high as 10,000 by the end of this week. I know I'm not telling you anything you don't know. So what are things like there now for you and others? And how is this different from other COVID waves that you have experienced?
Kira, the Omicron variant seems to be more easily transmissible. It is projected that every one person that's infected will infect 2 others. So that is the one thing about this variant that is making people very nervous. But a leading epidemiologist thinks that by the end of the week, we will see as many as 10,000 new infections per day. Now, this epidemiologist isn't just anyone. He's Dr. Salim Abdul Karim, who was the chair of the country's COVID advisory body. So his opinions carry quite a bit of weight here in South Africa. And the prediction that we'll see 10,000 new infections by the end of the week is really making people very nervous.
Well, let's talk about that, because also just within the last day, both the president there and health minister of South Africa spoke about the government's response to this variant. And the health minister says that there's no basis for South Africans to panic, yet you bring up all these numbers. And he's even criticized the new travel ban, which restricts travel from South Africa to other countries, including the United States, Singapore, Poland, and others. So are these travel bans affecting you at all, especially with the holidays coming up?
Well, Kira, many people I know have had to cancel their holiday plans, and some of it quite heartbreakingly so. I spoke to an elderly woman who's in her late 70s, who for the 2nd year in a row won't be able to see her relatives who live in England. So in that case, it is quite heartbreaking. But despite these numbers, our scientists today did say that we've dealt with variants before, and we are very well equipped to deal with new variants. The South African Department of International Relations and Cooperation said in a statement today that the latest round of travel bans is akin to punishing South Africa for its advanced genomic sequencing and the ability to detect new variants quicker. Many South Africans, including President Cyril Ramaphosa, who slammed the travel bans last night, and Health Minister Joe Phaahla, are feeling that we are being punished for having very good scientists and well-equipped laboratories.
At the same time, though, just 6% of Africa's 1.2 billion people are actually vaccinated. And South Africa's Department of Health reported 35% of the country is vaccinated. And that's compared to about 59% here in the U.S. So is there a vaccine supply problem there in South Africa, or are people just hesitant to get the shot? And if that's the case, tell us why.
First of all, I cannot speak for the rest of Africa, but in South Africa, we have enough vaccines. The problem is very slow take-up, especially amongst the younger groups, because we started with elderly people and then the 50 to 60 range of people. And now we are vaccinating the younger people under 25s, and they seem to not want to vaccinate at all. So this vaccine hesitancy is, of course, not a uniquely South African problem. It is worldwide that people don't trust governments.
All right, Liezl Thom, I know we'll be talking more. Thanks for coming to us all the way from South Africa. Sure appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.